Relays exist to carry the loads that their smaller friends can't. Hey there, I'm a switch. This is an electrical load. Ugh, this is quite a bit of electrical load. I can probably do this a couple times. If I keep on doing it, I'm gonna burn out and probably catch on fire. Oh, hey there.
Hey, I'm a relay.
Oh, hey, Relay. Can you please pick up this electrical load?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Oh, good. Huh,
Yeah?
pretty easy.
Yeah.
Did you do it all day?
Oh yeah.
Now for this demonstration, we're going to be wiring up a light bar. Now for most relays, they utilize a common pin numeric numbering system. So pin 30 will go to your 12 volt source, 87 will go to the light bar, or what you're trying to power, 85 the switch, and 86 chassis ground. And it's just that simple. Well, I hope you found my relay explanation relatable to your next project. Thanks for watching.